Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to pause updates in Windows 10 for 7 days. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that you need to go to settings. Here you need to go to update and security Windows Update Recovery Backup settings, and now we need to select from the left panel Windows Update. Okay, so here you can easily pause updates if you want. On default you can pause them for 7 days, but if you would like to select any other date, you need to go to advanced options, and here you need to select date when updates may be continued. So everything depends on your preferences, but I will not select it now. I just wanted to show you how it works. So now I click back button and I select this one option, pause updates for 7 days. After that you will see that your device won't be up to date while updates are paused, and updates will resume on this one date. If you would like to resume updates before this date, you can always click this button and updates will be ready to install. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to check links in the description.